Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered, where did all my money go? Chances are it's not just about how much you earn, it's about how you spend. Your spending habits are often shaped by psychological triggers, societal pressures, and emotional responses you might not even realize are controlling you. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden forces driving your financial decisions, why they're keeping you broke, and, most importantly, how to break free and take control of your money. 1. The psychology of spending. Emotional spending. Spending isn't always rational. Whether it's retail therapy to lift your mood, stress shopping, or impulse buys, emotional spending often leads to regret and financial strain. The instant gratification trap. We live in a world where instant rewards are king. Credit cards, buy now, pay later options, and one-click purchases make it easier than ever to spend money you don't have for things you don't need. Social influence. Keeping up with friends or influencers often pushes us to spend beyond our means. The pressure to appear successful can lead to poor financial decisions. Anchoring and sales gimmicks. That limited time offer or 75% off sale, it's designed to trick you into thinking you're saving, even when you're overspending. 2. Why you're broke. Lifestyle inflation. Every time your income increases, so does your spending. Instead of saving or investing, you upgrade your car, home, or gadgets, leaving no room for wealth building. Lack of awareness. Many people don't track their expenses, leading to overspending without even realizing it. Small daily habits, like coffee runs or subscription services, can quietly drain your wallet. Debt dependency. Credit cards and loans can feel like free money, but high interest rates and minimum payments can trap you in a cycle of debt. No financial plan. Without a budget or clear goals, your money lacks direction. This makes it easier to spend on wants rather than needs. 3. How to fix it. Understand your triggers. Reflect on why you spend. Is it boredom, stress, or the need to fit in? Understanding these triggers is the first step to breaking free. Create a budget you can stick to. A budget isn't a restriction, it's a plan. Allocate money for essentials, savings, and discretionary spending. Use tools or apps to help track every dollar. Switch to a cash-only approach. Use cash for discretionary spending. It's harder to part with physical money, which can curb impulse buying. Prioritize savings first. Treat savings as a non-negotiable expense. Automate transfers to your savings account to ensure you're paying yourself before anything else. Embrace delayed gratification. Before making a purchase, wait 24 hours to decide if it's truly necessary. This can help you avoid impulsive buys. Invest in financial education. Knowledge is power. Learn about saving, investing, and managing debt to make smarter financial choices. Set clear goals. Define what financial success looks like for you. Whether it's paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or investing for the future, having clear goals will keep you motivated. 4. Building better habits. Track your spending daily. Awareness is key. Keep a record of every dollar spent to identify patterns and cut unnecessary expenses. Reward yourself within limits. Give yourself small rewards for hitting financial milestones. This keeps you motivated without derailing your progress. Surround yourself with financially savvy people. Your environment influences your behavior. Seek out friends or mentors who value financial discipline. Unfollow toxic influences. Limit exposure to ads and influencers that encourage you to spend. Focus on content that promotes saving and wealth building. Breaking the cycle of overspending and financial stress is possible when you understand the psychology behind your decisions. By identifying your triggers, adopting smart habits, and staying committed to your goals, you can regain control of your finances and build a secure, prosperous future. If this resonated with you, like this video and share it with others who might need a financial wake-up call. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering your money and transforming your financial life.